This is a short video how to replace the alternator on a 95, 94, 95, e34, 530, 540 with the B8. The way I did it. That's the way I did it. I took out the shroud out of this. It had zip ties there, so I put zip ties back, but I think it takes a screw here. So I took the shroud out, disconnected the fan. Since I didn't have that piece that holds the nut right there, I ended up taking off the fan from the bolts right there. See the bolt right there? It's a number 5 Allen wrench. I put it in there, hold the fan blade, and just took it off. I just didn't want to go to the store and buy that piece because if I buy it and I'm only use it one time and then just have it sitting there, I don't know, that's just me. So I ended up just taking those bolts off. There's 3 of them. Hold the blade, took that out, took the shroud out. You gotta remove the what's this, oil filter, and if you, that bolt right there, there's a bolt there, and then this bolt right there, the number 10s, you can loosen them and just have this loose a little bit, and you should be able to remove the alternator, because this bracket in the bottom blocks one of the brackets of the alternator. So you can loosen it off, take them off, and then just move this to the side a little bit. After that, you go underneath the car, and of course you gotta listen to these bolts. I ended up taking this pulley off. And you gotta take the tensioner, that tensioner right there, but the one on the top, that one right there, there's a cap right there. Stick a flat screwdriver or something, cap pulls off, and that should come out. I think it's like a number 12 or 13 to remove that. Then you take off the 3 bolts from the alternator. There's one right here, one there, and the other one's right on the top somewhere there. And that's how you pull it out. Another tip is to put a piece of cardboard on your radiator, tape it, so when you're removing the alternator, because it's pretty tight to move it, you don't want to hit your radiator and bend the little aluminum pieces on it, or make a hole in it, because that will suck. But for this, it's like 12, 13, and a 10 are the sockets that you need to do that. Let's see. Oh, and to take the belt off, at least on mine, all I did was just pull the belt really like this, and then I just ended up pulling it over this piece right here. That's how I did mine. I don't know if mine is, I think my tensions are probably not that great, but that's how I did it. Just ended up pulling my belt like this, and I just janked it out like that. So that's how it is. Any questions, hit me up. I'll see if I can help you as much as I can. Peace.